I want to look at this gene sequence. So this is the actual sequence of the SMN1 protein. And so you can get it on what's called GenBank, Gen Bank. You can just Google that. Anyway, you can find just about any gene there. This is the SMN1 sequence, and you can see this is starting at letter 1, TCT, GATT, GGT, going all the way to letter 5800 and something. Okay, and why they do it in blocks of 10 is a mystery, but this is what it is. So this is the sequence. So you can see there's quite a bit of sequence that precedes where the gene actually starts. And that is all like regulatory sequences and stuff that we won't even talk about in here. But this is the TATA box. So remember the TATA box? This is our promoter. So you can see there it is, TAA, TAAA. And then look how far upstream the TATA box is from the actual start of the gene, which we didn't do in class. We grossly simplified it, or in our learning activity. So here's exon 1. So this is the first part of the sense-making part. But notice the start codon, ATG, is quite a ways into exon 1. So again, I simplified this activity for you as we were learning it, but it's actually quite a bit more complex. So this is exon 1. This starts an intron, so junk sequences. This whole next page is intron. Your genes are 95% introns, 5% coding. More intron on this page. There's an exon. So this little tiny part right here is exon 2A. This is exon 2B. Probably they originally named them as one exon and realized they were two, so we have 2A and 2B. Exon 3 is right here. Exon 4 is right here. Exon 5, exon 6, more junk. Exon 7. Now here is the stop codon, TAA. This is a stop codon, and notice there's a whole nother exon after the stop. So again, we simplified things. Here's the actual polyadenylation signal, the stop signal, TAA. It's in exon 8. So again, we just simplified things for you for the activity. So the SMN1 gene is like 35,060-ish letters long. So that's a typical gene length, 35,000 letters. So that's that gene. So we're going to talk about this gene. We're going to ask a few more questions now. So I'll stop here.